Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara and I am a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to understand YouTube analytics, especially the overview tab. If you want to learn more about this, please just stick with me. Before I even go further in this video, please make sure that you click that subscribe button to learn more about YouTube analytics, YouTube algorithm, and click the bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. As a small YouTuber, these are the things that you need to learn, and I'm going to take out my time to teaching you guys in simplified form how to understand YouTube analytics. Alright guys, so now I am going to be showing you how to understand the overview tab in your YouTube analytics. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube studio. Analytics is in YouTube studio. Um, Now scroll down to analytics, and this is your analytics right here. So scroll down to analytics. Now, understanding the overview tab is very important, and YouTube already updated how you can view your analytics. I did a video on this the last time, but I just want to focus on the overview tab right now. So obviously they're telling me my views are up. I've gotten 19,700 views in the last 28 days. But if you're a YouTuber, you know it doesn't matter how many views you have gotten. What is important is your watch time. And what is watch time? Watch time is the duration of minutes or hours that your subscribers or non-subscribers have watched on your channel. And it is very important. Watch time, in fact, is the most important thing as a YouTuber. Everybody tries to improve their watch time. Now let me give you an example. Imagine when you make a 10 minutes video and people are just spending a minute on that video. What happens to the remaining 9 minutes? Yes, that's the thing. So people try to make their content very interesting so that it can retain the audience's attention, and that is very important. YouTube wants people to stay on the platform, and if your content is something that makes your audience stay on the platform, definitely you are going to get recommended. So now let's look at the overview tab. Now the first thing you see is you see three tabs. You have your views, and views are the amount of time people have clicked the video to watch. Watch time is the duration of time people have stayed on your videos, and obviously the next thing is your subscribers, the amount of subscribers that you have gotten. So you'd know, okay, my subscribers going up, are they coming down? And hopefully mine is showing green and not red, so I'm excited about that. Now if you scroll down on the overview tab, the first video you are going to see is your most popular video, and currently this is the most popular video I have on my YouTube channel. It's funny because it's a comedy, it's a comedy and it's not so long. That's why you have 13 seconds there. It's a very very short video, and you can see that the average view duration is very very high, 81.3%. And so I know that, okay, this video is doing very well. Scroll down, you have another one that is 86.0%, and so you can see that the average duration is high as well. The thing about short videos is that because it is short, before people would have a chance to say, okay, I want to go off this video, they finish watching the video, and so it makes the average view duration very high. If I scroll down, you'd notice that it keeps going down. So from the beginning, it's going to show you your top videos, and it's going to show you the average view duration. Also, it's going to show you the views. It's also going to show you the views, and I believe that these views is for the last 28 days. And so yeah, that is it for your overview tab. By the side, you can also see real time, and you see your subscriber counts, and you see the amount of times people have already clicked your video. You're going to see that for the past 48 hours. And so for the past 48 hours, which is 2 days, a total of 1,023 people have clicked my video. So yeah, and you can see your latest video that you've posted. You can see how it is doing here. So the overview tab is pretty straightforward. As a small YouTuber, I encourage you to read your channel analytics. By reading your channel analytics, you'll be able to know which video you've made is doing well, which one is not doing well, and you know which one you need to promote, because sometimes it's not all about just pumping out content. You also need to promote your content. I hope this was helpful, and till I see you next time, bye. Alright guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time, bye.